I will teach you how to make money listening to music Pandora and Spotify style. It is an app called Current. I will provide the link in the description. It is a hybrid of Spotify, Pandora and iHeartRadio. Why do you let Pandora, Spotify or iHeartRadio make money from your listening? This lets you earn money listening. It has Earn tab to earn more points by doing surveying. Not many of us have time to do surveys. I just listen to music and earn points that I can redeem for Amazon, PayPal, DoorDash, Public, Acorns gift cards or even Bitcoins. Roughly 2,000 points equals $1 for PayPal gift card. You can earn more money by completing referral tasks and Redeem tab as well. Music channels are organized by genres as moods, pop, rap, and hip-hop, R&B soul, EDM, decades, rock, and metal, alternative, country, deep house, relax, and chill, indie, Latin, Asian pop, and holiday and musical. They even have gospel, news, and talk, sports, comedy, and featured artist genre. I love relax and chill channels when studying or relaxing. News and talk have all major news channels like MSNBC, NPR, CBS Radio, BBC Radio, Fox News, and ABC Talk. Listen to your favorite news channel on the go and make money listening in. I am using the Android app. I have providing link below to download directly from Android Play Store directly.